If your Wise account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your account number, transaction history, and any communication from Wise regarding the restriction. This will help you present a clear case. Step 2. Review Wise policies. Familiarize yourself with Wise's terms of service and policies related to account restrictions. Understanding the reasons behind restrictions can help you address the issue more effectively in your appeal. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Wise's customer support through their official website or app. Use the contact form or chat feature to explain your situation clearly and request assistance with your account restriction. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Follow the instructions provided by customer support to formally submit your appeal. Include all gathered information and any evidence that supports your case, such as transaction receipts or identification documents. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, keep track of your request by noting any reference numbers provided. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support to check the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Wise. Good luck!